Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today I figured I would do... Oh, what's wrong with my finger? I figured I would vlog over the next few days. I know I said I wasn't going to do vlogs on this channel, but I just kind of wanted to... I don't know, I'm trying to get more videos out for you guys, and it's hard. It's challenging. I feel like some weeks I have so much time to film. Just depends on when my days off land. So then I can get a bunch of videos out, but then there's like 2 weeks where I get nothing out. So I figured if I just vlogged a little bit, shared with you guys just my everyday things, my quiet time, just the normal everyday things as I read, things like that, we can get more videos out. I did want to share with you guys something I ordered from Amazon because I did last month. I bought this commentary. This is the parallel commentary on the New Testament. So it has sermon notes from Charles Spurgeon, which I really like that. Then it has commentary notes from John Wesley and Matthew Henry, and it also has the KJV translation on the left side. This commentary is definitely very, very basic, very beginner. I would even say probably even more beginner than like the Bible Knowledge commentary and the Moody. Like, this is a very beginner commentary. What I like about this the most is honestly the notes from Charles Spurgeon. So I probably wouldn't recommend this because I would recommend the Bible Knowledge commentary or the Moody commentary over this. And I kind of wish I would have just purchased like Charles Spurgeon's like notes on the New Testament, because I think they have a separate thing for that too, like all his notes. Yeah, that's just my opinion, and I've also passed the return window date, or else I would have returned this. Yeah, so that's my thoughts on this. I don't think you really need it, but I did order a new one because I had mentioned in that video where we talked about this, where How to Faith the Life, she did like her tour of all her commentaries and stuff, and I really liked a couple sets that she has. So I do plan on studying and doing a Bible study video with you guys, so I figured why not order one of those commentary volumes, not the set, just order the volume. So I will show that to you guys in a little bit. So that is something I got. I have to see what I do with this, because besides the notes on Charles Spurgeon, I don't really care for it. But now I think I'm gonna make myself a little bit of coffee, do my quiet time. We can chat about some books that I have here. I think my reading vlog for March came out. I went over the 3 like faith books that I read. They're actually the only 3 books that I read in March. I try to really dedicate March to just like Christian living type books. So I can leave that link down below if you guys are interested in that. But I'm gonna go make some coffee, then we can sit and chat about more things. Let's open this package. I made my coffee. I'm trying a new mic because usually I use this big guy, but sometimes I forget to connect it because I need to use my adapter because Macs, you know, they don't have plugs, but they do have a headphone jack. So I'm using this mic to see if maybe that helps. Let's move around more. I have more room on my desk. And let's open this Amazon package. So I picked up the New American Commentary for the books of Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, and Zephaniah. So this is just what it looks like. It does have a cover, which I will take off. I kind of wish people would stop doing hard covered books with things like this. I wish they would just do it like have the cover underneath be just like the slip cover, because this one's gray. It's nice though. So this is what it looks like. Let's open it. Okay, this is nice. It actually, so like here it's talking about, what book is this? The book of Nahum. So here has like an outline, and then it says like this is talking about verse 1 and has the information, but then it actually has the verse down here in the NIV as it talks about it. So that's nice that you can actually see what it's talking about. And then it has a bunch of footnotes, like a lot of footnotes. And the text is actually pretty decently sized. I like this so far. Well, I'll have to use it while I read and study and stuff. But in my last morning, no, not my last one. It's one that's coming. No, I'm here today. The video's going up tomorrow, but you guys won't know what I'm talking about because this video is coming out after that. Okay, brain is computing now. My video that went up last week, because it's going up last week, I did like a morning in my quiet time and I used the other commentary. I think in that one I mentioned that it was very beginner, but the more that I've used it, I'm just like, it's not necessary. It's not needed. I'm going to use this today. Am I? No, I'm not going to use this today. Hey guys, so I just wanted to pop in real quick, but I just wanted to give a quick update on this commentary. I love it so far. There is so much information like this. I think you'll see this video already before this, but this is chapter 1 of Nahum. This. That is 40 pages. 40 pages of chapter 1 of Nahum. This little one. 2 pages in this book. 1 page back and forth in a Moody. So there is just so much information and just so many cross references. Obviously, like some pages have huge footnotes. Like here you can see that's all footnotes. But I think that in itself is so much information too, because not only are you getting information on what is being quoted and what sources are being used, you're just getting more. Like if you want to read those books or read what they also have more information within themselves too, like points out different points in history, things like that. There's so many cross references, charts. This commentary so far is really great. So much information that I can't even include all of it in like my video for this study, because we would be here all day just on chapter 1. It would be like a 40-minute to an hour video just chapter 1. That's just hours and hours of studying and taking notes, and it's crazy. So I really do like this commentary so much more. Definitely check this one out if you're interested in something that goes so much more in depth. If you're in the market for a new commentary, start with the New American Commentary. So far, that is my opinion. This is what I like. I like that there's just more information than I've gotten from any other commentary without me having to do a Google search on what does this word mean? What does this mean historically? What this, like, it has it all in there already. So good. So just wanted to point that out. But I will use it in the near future. But today for my quiet time, I kind of want to just finish wrapping up some books that I've been reading. I have my Bible study journal. And in here, I keep track of all the books of the Bible that I'm reading. Because I think last year I started like my Bible in a year. Last year. But since I was doing recaps and taking notes, it was taking me much longer to read books. Because I was also then taking notes. So when I did my recaps, my recaps ended up becoming a little more in depth than I planned. That's something I'm working on, how to summarize. Here is what this is looking like. So I just highlight every time I've read through an entire book. So all these books have, no, that's a lie. I was gonna say all these books have recaps, but they don't. But I need to finish reading the book of Esther. I need to finish reading the book of Esther and then reading through the book of Ecclesiastes, which I probably won't finish that today. But then I am going to read through, I think my next in-depth Bible study books are going to be out of this. I was going to do the book of Jude, but I have a lot of notes in my little Bible from that because I did a study on it a few years ago, using Jackie Hill Perry's her Jude study. But I want to find my Jude study so I can pull it out and like use it. So I gotta find where that is because I think it's packed away. So I'm gonna read my Bible. I'm gonna read my Bible and then we can talk about some of the other books that I've been going through and kind of want to go through. This is the problem with me. Instead of just sitting here saying I'm gonna read the Bible and I want to do many things. So not only do I want to read what I'm reading through my Bible, I want to do my in-depth study that I will do with you guys. I'm working on something else that I'm doing, so I'm studying that. And then I'm also doing a study with a group of ladies, and then I also want to start another study just by myself for my reading. So I got a lot I want to do, so that's my problem. Bible has been read. I finished Esther. Still reading through Ecclesiastes. I feel like maybe a month or two ago, I feel like I've been reading those, but then I've been jumping through different things. Like I went through Lamentations since I started. Ecclesiastes. I started Esther. I read through, there's another book I read through, a New Testament book, Titus. I've gone through Titus since I started Ecclesiastes. I was going to do a study on Jude, so I read the book of Jude. I just didn't end up doing study. So I read like many different books since then. This book, we've chatted about this a lot. It's Respectable Sins by Jerry Bridges. We are on the section of pride and selfishness. So very, very, if you are looking to be convicted, if you're looking to really have God show you things that you need to work on, this is an excellent book. This version is the small group curriculum, so there's questions and all that stuff, and it also has room on the side for you to journal. So, but if you just want to read, they also just have like the book versions. So after we do this, because we're almost done, we're a little more than we're about halfway. Then we're going to do the pursuit of holiness and then the practice of godliness. And then I pulled out this book that I have. It's The Joy of Living by J. Dwight Pentecost, and it's a study of the book of Philippians. So I figured I might want to like read through the book of Philippians and do it with this book. I have not read this book. This book was given to me. But I know I want to say my aunt read this and she says she really liked it. So I don't know. This could be fun to do together. If you guys want to do this, we can kind of go through maybe this book and the book of Philippians together. Let me know your thoughts. 26 chapters. However you guys want to, if you guys want to do this, let me know down in the comment section, or maybe I'll put up a poll, and maybe this is something we can do like weekly. We go through this book and we just do it weekly. Like I post a video every week going through one chapter, and we read it, we read our Bibles, and we study, and we can see what else God shows us. That could be something. Let me know what you guys are interested in doing. If you want to, also if you want to do this outside of YouTube, let me know. But I'm just something I do want to do. So let me know. I think my sister and I are going to go out and get coffee and possibly find a TJ Maxx or Marshall's and take a little stroll. I'm trying not to buy anything, guys, anymore. I'm trying to save my money, save my coin. Granted, I know I just did like a whole Amazon order, and this book wasn't the only thing in there. I've been crocheting a lot, but I've decided I'm not gonna buy any more yarn or crochet things until I use up what I have. But I've been doing a lot of cute things. Maybe I'll show you guys in a little bit what I've been doing. I'll see you guys in a little bit as we go shopping and stuff. Let's get coffee. This is the mug I picked up at Marshall's. It's so cute. I felt like I had to. It was calling my name. And it's the perfect size. So I'm trying not to buy anything, guys, anymore. I'm trying to save my money, save my coin. I'm done after this. I'm done buying things. Today, I want to start getting things prepped for my Bible study video I want to film. I want to read my Bible. Do the normal thing. Coffee just smacked me in the face. Do the things that I need to do this morning. Maybe we'll probably end the vlog today. I feel like my room desperately needs to be like organized and clean, but that is for another day. I also need to film some content because I'm working on getting better at posting on TikTok and on Instagram. So that is another plan. I kind of have like an outline of what I want to do, what I want it to look like. So I just need to work on it. So. guys, I think I'm gonna leave you guys here, but I did want to show you my little chicken that I mentioned. Isn't it so cute? My crochet video went up already, so I will leave that link down below if you guys want to see me trying to make different chickens. I make one chicken, but then I show you guys my other chickens at the end, and I do link the videos that I used, so if you're interested in that. Right now I'm just getting things prepped for the study I want to film, and I just did some reading on my respectable sins, and yeah, that's pretty much what I've been doing. And I've been cleaning up a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but that definitely looks a little more cluttered, but it makes more sense. I have my prayer wall up there, and then like my everyday makeup stuff. I cleaned off the desk where my TV's at, my desk over there, my dresser. So we just did some cleaning today, and it was much needed. Now I just gotta finish it with the things on my bed. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah. Oh yeah, let me know what you guys want to do about this book. If you guys are like, just read it and let us know what you think, I can do that too. So I will see you guys in my next one, and yeah.